Okay, here is let's have a little look. So this is an IGCSE from November 23. And the Venn diagram looks like this. So we've got, list the members of the set A. So the members of the set A would be everything that's in this bit here. So it's 5, 15, 7, 9, 11, and 13. Let's just clear that up. Now, the second thing we've got to know is what is A intersection B. So it means where it could be, where it's in both A and B. So it's A and B, so it's this bit here, so it's 5 and 15. So let's just go up, and that's 5 and 15. And then A union B, but not. In this case, it doesn't mean, what's the word? To differentiate, it literally means not that bit. So A union B is everything that's in this section here. So it's all this section here and all this section here. So the only ones that aren't in that section are 6, 8, 12, 14, and 16. Okay, factorise fully. So that means don't just pull out the number that 12 and 18 have in common, which obviously is 6 because they're both in the 6 times table. Also pull out the p, and then what do you have to times 6p by to get to 12pq? Well, you have to times it by 2q, and to get to 18p you have to times it by 3, and that goes in there. Right, there are 56 metal bars in a box, okay? Each metal bar is gold or silver or zinc. Why metal bars are gold? So this many bars are silver and this many bars are zinc. Work out the number of metal bars that are zinc and show clear algebraic working. Okay, so we know they're not timesing together. We know that y plus 3y plus 7 plus 2y minus 5. Oops, a daisy. We know that y plus 3y plus 7 plus 2y minus 5 equals 56. So just add up. You've got 6y on this side, and you've got 2 plus 2, because it's 7 minus 5, equals 56. So 6y equals 54, which is convenient because that's divisible by 6. So y equals 9. So we're looking for the metal bars of zinc, and that would be 2 metal bars of zinc would be 2 times 9 minus 5, which is 13. So there are 13 zinc bars altogether. Right. Joshua buys a car for $12,500 and he sells the car to Nina. Nina pays $1,500 and followed by 36 payments of $450. What is his profit? Who sells a car for a profit? So 450 times 36 equals 16,200, and that's plus $1,500. So let's add 1,500. So that's 17,700 and dollars. And originally he buys it for 12,500. So what we do, and you need to remember this for like all your science things as well, is 700 even minus 12,500 over 12,500, which is your original, times 100. So minus 12,500 equals 5,200 divided by 12,500 equals, and then times by 100. And that gives us, so 41.6. So he makes 41.6% profit, which is loads. And let's have a little look. So a bias spinner has 3 sections, each of a different colour. The table shows the probability that when the spinner is spun once, it will land on blue or orange or white. Work out the value of x. So this all adds up to 1. So 0.58 plus 3x equals 1. 3x equals 1 minus 0.58, which is 0.42. So x equals, I've just lost it, 14, 0.14. So that means white is 0.14 and orange is 0.28. Oh, we've already worked that one out. Right. Now, the spinner is spun 250 times. Work out an estimate for the number of times it will land on blue. So all we do is times 0.58 times 250. And that would be 0.58 times 250 equals 145. And then that's that. And I think I'll leave this for a minute.